Dear friends, we have assembled here to celebrate the feast of Saint Francis Xavier. The theme for today is Hope Does Not Disappoint Us. Hence, like Saint Francis Xavier, let us be pilgrims of hope. Hope makes our life meaningful, cheerful, and fruitful. Saint Francis Xavier, through his life and work, made known Jesus and his love to others and increased their hope. Jesus reminds his disciples that while they carry forward his mission, they should solely rely on God's providence. The life of Saint Francis Xavier gives us the inspiration to enkindle the fire of faith, hope, and God's love throughout the world. God chose Francis Xavier to spread the good news of Jesus and to become the lighthouse of hope. Let us pray that God's grace and through the intercession of Saint Francis Xavier, we may become beacons of hope for those in despair.